Hey guys, Coach here. So, good morning. It's Tuesday morning. This is my charts here. This is the training chart. It's not hooked to a broker. There's no spread up there, um, and it doesn't look like there's much going on, to be honest. So, training charts, no indicators. This is where everybody that once you get through the 6 free classes, this is what you start with. If you haven't got to the chart reading section yet, this is we kind of go over this part. If you got through there, you already know. And then you're ultimately going to wind up with, your screen kind of looks like this. And then obviously strategy number 6. So strategy number 6 is the last strategy I teach, and it's the first strategy you start with. It's like, what? Yep. So when you get through, when you start trading, I will say go to strategy 6 and take a look at it and see if you're in a trend or not. But you can't do that when you first start because you're going to be on strategy 1 and you're going to be looking at blue dots instead. So if you graduated, go over there and look what you got. Yuck. So we already know that there's no trend trade. We already know that. Okay. I'm going to teach you to say, it's a trend trade. Can it go 10 pips? If it can go 10 pips, take it. If it doesn't look like it can go 10 pips, that doesn't mean you don't take a trade. It's just look for a shorter movement here. Look for a target 1, not a target 10. Okay. Now, if you only play target 1, you can take this, but just know that that does not constitute it as a trend, and there might be fake outs, right? Like this fake out sell, that fake out buy, that fake out sell. So far, this fake out buy. So that, you'd be 0-4 right there. If you were a mechanical trader, you'd be 0-4 because you're getting all your steps and you're getting faked out. Now, the deal is you don't play a stop loss during this phase. So ultimately, in that 30 minutes to an hour and a half, you could win. So you have to know what phase you're in on how you're to approach it. So mechanically, you would take that. You take that sell. Let me know if it hit T1 in 30 minutes to an hour and a half. You would take that buy. Let me know if it hit T1 in 30 minutes to an hour and a half. You'd take that sell. Let me know if it hit T1 in 30 minutes to an hour and a half. You'd take that buy. Let me know if it hit T1 in 30 minutes to an hour and a half. And your record might be 1 win, 3 losses, 0 win, 4 losses, 4 wins, 0 losses, and I don't care, right? The only thing that I care about is, did you get all 4 steps correctly, right? Did you get the setup right? Did you get the confirmation right? Did you get the right strike price, including the spread? So that's something you got to learn because you don't get that on Nadex. It is what it is. They work off indicative price. So, and then did you get how much time you going to give it? And when you're in a mechanical state, that's it. I mean, that's all it is to it. And then once you can master that part of that, and that mastering part is typically 6 months to a year, depending upon who you are. Daryl went through it. He's the last student to complete the course last year, and it took him 6 full months to get all 6 strategies. And I wouldn't say he was 100%. I would say he could pass his exam. He was like 80% right? So, but he had a winning record before he went to a mission trip, and I haven't seen him since. So, Daryl, if you're back in the country, you're supposed to come back in February, dude. This is May. And I sent him emails and stuff, so I don't know. I mean, he went to a place where it was very sketchy. He might, I don't want to think the worst, but he said when he gets off that airplane, he gets a stack of Bibles because he's on a mission trip, and they give him an M16, right? So he's not where he's supposed to be. So, and now John's going through the phase, and so I don't know how long John's been in it, but he's just now on strategy 3. So, it took Daryl 6 months just to get the mechanical, getting all the steps right. So you get through that phase, then you'll go to phase 2, and you'll start playing with it a little bit. Still paper trading, no real money, but you'll be able to make a decision. So I haven't taken anything today, and that's the reason why. There's no trade here, right? For me or for anybody else, mechanically, there's not. I mean, there is mechanically, but, and then so there, you might have got a 3 or something. So I haven't taken anything. If y'all have any questions, let me know.